What if I told you that one conversation with a small business could have you earning hundreds of dollars every single month? Well, I built an app that makes this all possible. It's called Foyer, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So Foyer is an AI receptionist for every local business that you sign up. It is an agency in a box, meaning it's a business that's ready to go, ready for you to start running your own AI receptionist agency right away. Every small business loses 30% of their income from missed messages from potential clients. For example, a dental practice that takes a lunch break, misses a call, and then their customer goes and books a dentist down the street. Or a salon that gets a text message at midnight, but is closed on Sundays and therefore does not actually get to book that appointment until the Monday morning. Or someone who does HVAC gets a voicemail, and that voicemail sits in the voicemail inbox for who knows how long before they realize that they just missed out on a client opportunity. All of these businesses are losing money with every missed message, and Foyer aims to fix that. One person can't be everywhere all at once. Most of these businesses can't afford to pay a full-time receptionist. So Foyer solves this problem. The thing is, Foyer is not built for them. Foyer is built for you. You are now an agency owner. You get to run and operate this business out of the box. You don't have to actually respond to the clients. You don't have to actually respond to the customers of those clients. You own the agency. And so what that means is you spend a couple of hours setting up a new client with this AI receptionist that's trained on all of that business's information. And then you start earning passive income. So for a couple of hours of work to get somebody set up, you get hundreds of dollars of income every single month. It runs on its own. You can move on to finding more clients to onboard, right? So if, let's say you charge $300 a month, you had 5 clients, that's $1,500 of recurring income every single month that you would now have access to. So Foyer is the platform behind your agency. You get a bird's eye view of everything that's happening. So there's kind of 2 layers to this. One is your overall operational view. This is your day-to-day. You look at an overview. You can see all of the clients that you've onboarded. You can see an entire roster of your clients and whether they're active or inactive. You can check out all of the conversations that are live. So all of these and what they are what's currently happening. So whether there's bookings happening, where the conversation's coming from, you don't actually respond to any of these messages. The AI receptionist handles all of the messaging here. All you need to do is sign up this person. And then there is the client view. The client gets their own view specific to their business where they can see how many conversations are happening, how many bookings, how many new leads. And that is what the day-to-day looks like. And you also get an embeddable receptionist for that particular business's website. It's branded completely for their website. It looks like it's perfectly in line with their own styles, right? And this is a white labeled portal for every single client, meaning you get your overarching operational portal that's white labeled, and your client also gets this white labeled chat portal. So you get the bird's eye view. You can see everything that's happening. You can see which businesses are getting the most bookings, and maybe you can use that information to start targeting other businesses like it to land more clients. And this AI receptionist does a few things. One is it's trained on every single business that you onboard, right? Its services, its hours, its frequently asked questions, their policies, their tone of voice, everything. It's also running 24 hours a day, meaning somebody can message in the middle of the night trying to book an appointment, and they'll be able to do so without the person needing to answer the message, because the AI receptionist handles all of this for you. It writes those appointments straight to Google Calendar. So there's a Google Calendar integration. There can be many other integrations. I'll talk about that in a second. But it can book appointments directly for you and directly on your client's behalf. It also, when somebody's not ready to book, can capture lead information, meaning what's their name, what's their phone number, what's their email. All of this information is captured and sent over to the client so that they can reach out to them for remarketing at a later date. And if it doesn't know how to answer a question, it's not going to make anything up, right? It will say, I am not sure. Let me contact the actual human being, right? And I think that's a really big problem that a lot of people have with these automated systems is it will just make up information or it will do its best to answer the question. Here, strictly, if it's not in the data set, it's going to say, not sure, let's ask the human, and it will forward that message to the human being. So this is all completely white labeled. What that means is your clients never need to know about Foyer. They only need to know about your agency. It's your logo, it's your name on the website, it's your tagline. Foyer runs in the background. Foyer is the business in a box that you get right off the gate. You get to customize it, make it look however you like to make it match your exact brand. And then your clients will sign up on your website and get onboarded directly to your website. So they don't even have to know that Foyer exists. They just know that you are an agency that sells AI receptionists. You can onboard them in a couple of hours. And the business model is very straightforward for you. You can start earning, if you have a list of local businesses that need something like this, you can start earning money right away. Right? Let's say you're charging $200 to $400 a client per month. If you're able to onboard 10 clients, that's $2,000 to $4,000 a month that could be in your pocket, passive income. You spend a couple of hours in setup and then you can just watch it run on its own. Make sure things are not breaking, and start earning revenue, start spending time onboarding more clients. 50 clients, you're looking at $10,000 to $20,000 a month, depending on how much you're charging on a monthly basis. The other thing is this AI receptionist, it doesn't take sick days. It doesn't request raises. It takes a couple hours to get it set up on an actual client's website and have a client start the process of getting an AI receptionist. And the other thing is that this is built on Remy, meaning you get the entire project and you can add whatever features you want to your instance of Foyer. So this is the actual interface where you can start chatting with it and you can add additional features. You go into the spec. It has a roadmap where you can start building out whatever features you want here. You can see it already built out this WhatsApp channel. There's emails and voice calls. It's got a bunch of different lanes and plans for features that can be built into this application to make your application that much more robust. So you get access to this entire project. You can add whatever you'd like to the actual Foyer project itself. So that is Foyer in a nutshell. You can start earning passive income right away. If you're interested in this business in a box, I am selling it. I'm giving it away. Please just leave a comment saying, I'm interested in this. We'll reach out to you, make something happen. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to helping you earn more passive income, earn more revenue. Let me know if you're interested, and we will talk soon. I'll see you next time.